Hey guys, I'm Gupta and I'm 11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today is a very good day for me, guys. So guys, as we all know, I have just reached my 100 subscribers milestone. Literally, I just reached 100 subscribers, and I'm really very about happy about it. I'm really very happy about my 100 subscribers milestone. Lit- literally, I just reached 100 subscribers, guys. Literally. So basically, my channel is all about coding. In this channel, I teach you all coding and stuff. I teach coding for free on my channel to make you all a 10x coder. So if you want to become a 10x coder, just click the subscribe button. I have made 137 videos so far. Imagine 137 videos and have 5,600 views in total. So in my channel I have 5,600 views in total, right? That's a lot, right? So wow, right? Wow. I teach technologies such as Python, JavaScript, Node.js, MySQL database, and a lot more on my channel. We also have some fun building fantastic clones and applications using our coding skills, like the Google clone, the Google Maps clone, Dictionary app, Tombola app, as you all know, and Google News clone, and a lot more. I started with one video named Coding LCM Calculator in JavaScript and 25 subscribers. So I had started with one video and 25 subscribers, and now I have 137 videos and 100 subscribers. You see this rapid progress? It's very cool. Thank you for all of your love and support. This rapid progress is just because of all of you. Please keep supporting me like this, and one day you will also become a 10x coder. And as I told you in my one of my short videos, I am going to give a surprise to my 100 subscriber. So I am going to give a surprise to my 100 subscriber. And now I'm gonna reveal who is my 100th subscriber. And my 100th subscriber is Kabita Laisram Movies. So Kabita Laisram Movies is my 100th subscriber. Congratulations, Kabita. You were my 100th subscriber and you are getting a surprise. I will soon, very soon, ship you the surprise. And this was it, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.